Okay, so it's 2:30 in the morning, and I'm looking for something to eat, and I've seen these machines, and I'm going to try something here. You obviously pay by card. We'll see what happens. We'll see. You got hot dog, kebab pollo, chicken barbecue bacon. We're gonna go for the cheapest thing in case it's a load of shit. We're gonna try for. I think we're gonna go for. We're gonna go for the kebab pollo. Okay, it's €4. So what do? You press in 13. €4. So press the green button. I've just done that. Got €655 credit. Oh, that's interesting. So I'm gonna put 13 in. €4. Oh, okay. So we've got to get the card ready. So we're getting the card ready, and we're gonna scan it. We scanned it. Please wait for connection. Okay, €4 off me. Let's see what happens. I'll press in and cancel. So where's the food come out? so that's for a kebab pollo. And it's heating up. Calentando. 10 seconds. So it's basically a frozen bit of shit that you buy for €4. And it's called bulbs. Bulbs. So what's gonna happen next? Where's the food? Okay. From where? Take the food from where? Oh, okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. Ah. All right. Ah. That's pretty hot. Okay. So we got Bob's kebab pollo, €4, and we got a hot steaming bag. So, for €4 we got a kebab pollo. We're gonna check this out. 1 second. I'm just gonna put my card away. Give me 1 minute. So these machines are here, and if everything's closed, I think they work basically 24 hours a day. Okay, put the card away. So I ordered Bob, kebab pollo, €4. It charged me €4. It's still very hot. I'm gonna take it outside and let it cool down a little bit. Well, Bob, hope it's okay. Bob. Okay. So actually gonna go back because you've got a little bench there, so I might as well get back and try it out and wait for it to cool down a little bit. Bob's 24 hour. No serious though. So you got coffee, you got 6 toys, of course, 6 toys, and you've got drinks. So we've got Bob's, kebab. Could be interesting. So where do I place the camera? I'm going to just put it like that. How am I going to open it? I'm going to put it on pause for a bit. So 2 bobs. There's no serviettes. There's people hanging around. What the fuck? I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. People are looking at me. You know, what the fuck? So I've managed to open the bag, get some fresh air, and I've got Bob's kebab thing, €4. And we're gonna find somewhere away from these weirdos to eat it. Oh my god. Bob's kebab. Okay. Let's see if Bob's kebab is edible. I'm gonna find somewhere in the fresh air to eat it. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and we've eaten at Bob's. We've got people following me. I'm pretty sure of it. So it's got a kebab, whatever. I need to find somewhere just to sit down. Somebody said, what's Bob's? Well, this is Bob's kebab. We're just gonna where are we gonna place it? We need a ledge. We need a ledge to try out Bob's kebab. Okay. This will do. There we go. Bob's kebab. Plonk it there. Still in pre-microwave, obviously. €4. And we're going to try and set this up now, somehow. Okay, no. Okay. So we've got Bob's kebab. It's still warm. Okay. You got a lot of meat in there. €4. It's obviously preheated, it's like pre-cooked. So that's actually quite good. I mean, when everyone else is closed and you fancy something to eat, you've got Bob's kebab. But if you're not having anything to drink, then it doesn't go down too well. Let's open it up a little bit. Okay. So that's pretty good. I mean, it's a 24-hour place. And it isn't too bad actually. Yeah, it isn't bad at all. Sorry. It's actually warm. But without a beer or anything, then it's a bit difficult to eat. So, Bob's isn't bad. It's not bad at all. But it's okay. It's 24 hours a day. But if you're not had anything to drink, if everyone's closed, you grab a beer from there or whatever. Then it's pretty nice. Bob's. Bob's kebab. €4. Somebody's... ¿Qué pasa? ¿Pasa algo? Pues ya está. Pues venga, pues déjame ya. Un gilipollas dando por culo, ya está. There's always fucking one, you know. I'm talking to myself and some arsehole just comes up to me. You know, fucking hell. But anyway. Really? Have this kind of thing, then that kind of thing. You know. What the fuck? Fucking hell, he saw me standing there. Really? Fucking hell. Can't even do a fucking quiet fucking video here. Really? Loads of fucking piss outside. But it's like 3:30 in the morning. Cheers. Fucking hell. It's not always like this. Bye for now.